Alright, Adrian, here we have your 24 scale Ford Interceptor Utility. This is a Motormax model, decaled with a Cameron County, Texas Sheriff's Department decals on there. According to the pictures that you sent me. License plates on the front and rear. You see that? Of course, proper decaling on the rear as well. Went ahead and added a noticeable antenna in the picture on there. Went ahead and added that to this. This will have to come off in shipping when I put it in the box, because it will hit the top of the box anyway. So I have to pull that one off, but I'll put it in a little bag or something so you can have it. When you get it, you can put that back on. I just use the E6000 or goop glue to put that on. Like I said, it's pretty decent glue. Or you can use a little bit of Elmer's or something. I'm sure this is going to be displayed more than it's going to be played with, obviously. So, well, maybe, I don't know. At least have it put in place. Interior itself, a little bit of work done to it, not a whole lot. I added the work light that you asked for, and then, of course, did my normal decaling and highlighting and stuff inside there as well to detail it a little bit. Two switches on the bottom, main power switch here. Here you have your siren selector switch. So let's go ahead and turn this on. We'll go over the lighting. Red and blue strobe light bar. Flashing headlights. Again, I went in and added the decals to the sides here too to make it, update it to the 2017 look. Really the only thing missing is the Interceptor decal right there across the edge of the hood. Of course, the headlights and things are set up differently than the newest version, but since we don't have those in the models yet, got to go this route. See the interior again. Your interior work light, illuminating it quite well. It's up on the headliner. Again, decals and stuff on the dash, some trim on the steering wheel, highlighting the radio and siren box controller in there. For the tail end, got flashing tail lights, and then white strobes in the reverse lights. So again, license plate, all the proper decaling on the back. So anyway, so painted up, decaled, ready to go, and get the siren here. And each press will give a different tone. And that one shuts it off. Yay. So there you have it. I appreciate the patience, and like I said, sorry about that. Like I said, sometimes the getting things painted and decals and everything kind of runs behind, and like I said, of course, you know the deal things I've dealt with in the last few months of 2018, so that's always adds to it as well. So anyway, there you have it. I appreciate the order, and so we'll get this shipped out to you. Well, mail doesn't pick up till Tuesday, but we'll try to get it out then. Thank you very much.